Welcome back to my learning and drawing channel. In this video, let us learn about formation of clouds and conservation of rain. Formation of clouds. The sun's rays heat up the water in seas, oceans and rivers. The heat causes the water to evaporate from these water bodies as water vapor. When the water vapor rises, it reaches the cool temperatures, altitudes, it undergoes condensation and become water droplets. These water droplets settle on dust particles which when combined to form clouds. Conservation of rainwater. The water obtained from rain can be conserved by the following methods. By digging ponds, rainwater harvesting, close the taps when not in use. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.